Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ethereum is doing today. So let's take a look. So we are holding right now at 1924, but let's see. Let's go back. Let's remove this drawings. Let's start fresh. And let's go to the weekly chart. So looking at the weekly chart, this kind of looks like Bitcoin, very similar to Bitcoin. This looks like shoulder, head, and shoulder, potentially breaking down. And just by looking at this does not look very bullish at all. It looks very bearish to me. So let's draw some fibs here. So we'll just go from the high to this low. So I am doing the low of March 9 of 2020 to the high of November 8 of 2021. So just looking at this right now, I'm gonna say it looks okay. What could make me go very, I wouldn't say very bullish, but bullish for the most part, is if the weekly chart is going to end in 2 days and 22 hours. If we get a pullback above this 50%, the 2467, this will be a fake breakout. It will make a very nice bullish setup, because what will happen, more likely, we're gonna do something similar to this, and then we can have potentially a double bottom. Now, when it comes to double bottoms, I like to look at the double bottom when they're in the bottom, not when they're kind of like this in the basically mid-range. So this will be somewhat of a double bottom and potentially, move higher. However, by the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button for me. And if you get anything useful out of this video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can get useful information like you're getting. And if you don't get anything useful, don't send anyone. We don't want you to be recommending garbage, basically. But let's get back to the video. So if we break below this 1904, I am going to say this looks bearish, and then our line in the sand, which it will match with the 200-day weekly moving average, 1207. So 1207 is what I'm aiming right now. Now, like I said, we're having a bounce right now, which is great, but remember, we got options expiring here soon. So in crypto loves to make those crazy drawbacks, and then at the same time, think about this: we're having a pullback, and then you get a lot of people saying, like Bitcoin, that it's going to bounce to the 28 to 30,000. Great, we're having that bounce, so that means that everyone is putting their stops right underneath. Same thing with the Ethereum. So they put the stops right here underneath. Crypto loves to just smash through the stops and creates an avalanche. That's why we have this massive moves like this. So then I can definitely see this retesting the 1207, and I think that will be a pretty good level, because it will have the 200-day moving average, so that will be a pretty good level to look at, to start looking for buying opportunities. If we look at the daily, see, almost right on the money, 1904, it looks like it's 1957, where everyone thought that it would be a good idea to bounce. If we draw just some basic trend line, let's just go from here, there. Oh man, yeah, this looks like we're going to 1207. For me to get very bullish, I'm definitely, at least on the daily chart, I have to see you above the 200-day moving average, which is this line right here, and then also the 61% retracement. So by then, this 200-day moving average will more likely align with the 61% retracement of, and then it's also almost, that puts it at about 30-30. So For now, I'm gonna stand aside on Ethereum. If you, like I said, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.